Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. I'm actually starting this video a few days after the footage you're probably about to see of us going on a hike, simply because I suck at remembering to actually begin my videos. I am here with my study buddy. We are studying for my first exam for one of my classes. It's fun. So I hope you enjoy the footage I got. It's basically just us hiking and driving. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Off the road, so I would have to park like literally right in the middle of the lane.
Go on, follow him. I feel like there wouldn't be that much traffic.
I hope not.
It is. Hey! That's a nice boulder. We made it to the top, and I'm already out of breath.
Alright, let's go.
Time to go home.
Come on, Leo.
Why am I already out of breath? Huh. Oh, come here, you. Oh yeah, nice nose. Go. I'm right here. Go. You're hooked to me, so don't go too fast. I'm slow. All you hear is my breathing. Ah! Come on. Oh my God. Go. Hi. I know, go. I know you're on your long leash today. Oh, yeah. Big old rock over here. Pain in the ass to climb up and climb down.
That one?
No. Yeah, whichever one we went on. It was a pain in the ass. Thought I was gonna die. Trying to not slip off of it as it's coming down. Shelby and I thought we were gonna slip off. Or my mom did. Oh my God, Dad. Look at this. I got her hooked. So now she's... Honey, I'm not a sled. You can't pull me like a sled, okay? I don't know, should we... This is horrifying. I can only imagine what's gonna go wrong. Her being a free peppo. Maybe she still thinks she's on the leash.
Go down.
Go down?
Go down out of the
Why? I'm already out of breath. Well, I mean, at least you're a boy. And just go and hide in the bushes. Make sure you don't get a tick on your penis. That would be unfortunate. What? What? Checking the quality of the sand. Come on now. Let's go.
There's people coming from there.
I hear him. Where are they at? Oh my Lord. Oh, now that I have my mask on, my face is kind of warm. Fuck. Whew. At least down here, the wind's not blowing. Up there, the wind was blowing. Come on, Bean. Let's go. Okay. It's gonna try to pee. Oh, the dog, you're gonna get followed. The dog will follow you. Theo, come here. We know you can do it. I believe in you. I wish I had that ability. It'd be nice. Get my dog. Hold on to my mask. Oh God. Oh, it's muddy. Crap. Theo, don't walk in the mud, please. Please don't walk in the mud. We are at Canopolis right now, which is a lake close to our home, like an hour away. My God, you peed so fast. Ah, Theo. What? What the hell? What do you mean? Oh.
Literally, it was an entire TikTok collage of horses farting. Like, why does TikTok think I want to see this?
Because you like farting videos, apparently.
No, I've never liked a farting video in my entire time there.
The algorithm says different things.
That's why I can't show you. There's someone in the comments down below said, how did I get the horse fart TikTok?
Is that like a whole side of TikTok?
I guess so. That's what they say, there's sides of TikTok. Like, I'm on the fitness and car side of TikTok.
I'm on the small business side of TikTok, but sometimes I'm also on the dog side of TikTok. And then it throws in a random fart video, and you're like,
random horses farting.
You're like, what the fuck?
Yeah, there's probably some people that get off to that.
Probably the same people that get off to the lady farting to the camera. Fucking weird.
Our girls be making really, Theo, really. You had a dry path and you chose wet.
Obviously, babe. The wet path is more fun. My poor little legs. Oh, God! Ah! The sad part was I was even looking at the ground. I was like, eyes to the ground. Oh, that feels like it's gonna hurt later. Fuck. Good thing I have an ankle brace at home.
Yeah, that rough.
God, my ankle felt it, that's for sure. Lord, gotta die. The wind, it's too windy. We're gonna climb to the top. Think she can make it?
Up there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Should we do it? No, probably not.
Which way does the road go?
I think that goes back. Do you want to go that way? Oh yeah, there is straight mud packed right on my fucking shoe. Let's go.